courses here are General English and Exam Prep and Business English courses. We actually offer 3 timetables. The first timetable is 20 hours a week. This is Monday to Friday, 9 to 1:30. We also offer a 16-hour program, and that's Monday to Thursday. And we're hoping to introduce an afternoon timetable. Once the international travel is fully resumed and we can welcome overseas students, we will be introducing our afternoon timetable, which will take place Monday to Friday. It's a 5-day course as well, so that's 3 hours per day in the afternoon. So that will, I think that will be fantastic because it gives students the option, if they're working, like a lot of our long-term students are full-time workers, so it gives them the option, if they're working in the morning, then they can attend classes in the afternoon. So I think it helps.
So do you have any extra like activities after school, like after the classes, English classes?
Yeah, now again, with COVID, a lot of, it was mostly online because a lot of the sites or the attractions were closed. But now we're slowly integrating back face-to-face social programs. So a really popular one would be pub night. But we also do like trips to like Dublin sites. Like the Howth Cliff Walk is a really popular one we like to do in the afternoons. And then we also have personalised study program, which takes place Tuesdays and Thursdays. So students can practice their vocabulary, speaking, stuff like that, grammar. It's like an educational social program activity, slowly returning to that kind of face-to-face social interaction again.
Okay. Nos está diciendo, bueno, que aparte de la noche del pub, pues también hacen algunos pues viajes como a los Cliff and Moher. También tienen como que esta como de estudios, ¿no? De inglés, si quieres practicar tu gramática, tu vocabulario. I wanted to ask you, for this the self-study kind of program for Tuesdays and Thursdays, do you have to pay an extra fee or is free?
Included, yeah.
Included, okay. Entonces le estaba preguntando si tienes que pagar extra, pero es gratis. And for example, for the trips and for the pub night as well, do you have to pay a fee or as well is included later?
It depends on the activity itself. Like some activities will be free, but if they're doing any museums, anything like that, the students will be required to pay whatever entrance fee is needed.
Bueno, dice que algunas actividades sí tienen que ser pagadas y otras pues van a ser gratis. Así que bueno, ya saben, estas son pues algo extra que deben de saber porque muchos de nosotros pues no lo sabemos o mucha gente que viene no sabe que esto también lo pueden obtener, ¿no? En la escuela y que pues puede ser gratis. Así que si ustedes quieren quedarse a extra, no sé, un tiempo extra aquí o quieren venir jueves y martes, por ejemplo, aquí en la escuela a estudiar, a practicar sus skills, inglés, gramática, pues ya saben que es gratis y también es una manera de que pues nos pongamos las pilas si es que realmente queremos pues avanzar aquí, ¿no? En el business irlandés, así que ya saben. Level, like for, let's say for English courses, the student has to do like a test and you kind of select which kind of level they
Absolutely. So before the student arrives, they complete our online entrance test. That's a test that once it's completed, it's assessed by our academic team, Carmel, and then based on the result of that test, the student will be placed in that class level. Of course, like sometimes some students come and maybe they did better on the test than they are in real life, maybe, or they might feel, oh, I've tried the class for a few days, I don't think I'm strong enough. We are absolutely open to changing, you know, if a student's not comfortable in a certain level, they can move up or down. But usually when students change levels, it's both on the advice of the teacher and also the student together make that decision. We feel this is best for you.
So how many levels do you have?
So we have every level from beginner right up to advanced.
Okay, perfect.
Yeah.
So le estoy preguntando acerca de los niveles porque regularmente en las escuelas de inglés te hacen como un test principal para saber qué nivel de inglés tienes, si ellos te pueden acomodar. Digamos, a lo mejor tienes algo muy básico, pues vas a estar estudiando en el básico, pero a lo mejor pues tú no estás tan básico y tienes un buen inglés, pues a lo mejor te va a ser un avanzado. Entonces, para eso hacen el test inicial, para saber en qué grupo pues te van a acomodar ellos. Entonces, eso es muy importante también que lo tengan en cuenta porque muchos no lo saben. How long is the school being established in Ireland?
So I think it's been established for about 22 years at this time.
Oh, really?
Yeah. We recently moved to this building 5-6 years ago, and this is purposely built building, brand new for a school. The old location was over in Dawson Street, which I think was like an older building. So moving here, it's just been amazing because of all the space and all the room we have. Especially now, I think after going through COVID, we have no problem bringing students back because we're able to social distance. We have all the hand sanitizers, you know, all the necessary requirements and policies to make it safe.
Which kind of nationalities do you have most here for the English courses?
Oh wow, we really do have a worldwide mix of students. A lot of our students would be Brazilian, Mexican, Turkish, and we'd have Korean students, Japanese students, and then we'd have the European, French, Spanish, Italian, German, Polish, students from Puerto Rico, El Salvador, some Middle East countries. Yeah, we really do have a great mix of students.
Okay. Le estaba preguntando que cuál era como que las nacionalidades que hay más aquí, y la verdad que tienen una gama muy amplia, desde puertorriqueños, mexicanos obviamente, brasileños, turcos, asiáticos y bueno, en Medio Oriente. Entonces sí tienen una amplia gama con demasiados estudiantes internacionales, así que ya saben, así que si quieren aprender inglés, aquí también lo van a poder practicar con esas nacionalidades, porque ellos también vienen a estudiar el inglés, ¿no? Vienen, entonces con ellos también van a poder practicar y hacer amigos nuevos y además conocer nuevas culturas aparte del irlandés. Entonces creo que es algo muy importante también. What facilities does your school have?
Yeah, so first of all, our school building is wheelchair accessible. We have a lift that brings us right up to the top floor, so like any wheelchair or limited mobility, which I think is a great feature. I know in some other schools they might not have the lift or the elevator. So that's one of our top ones. I think also as well, we're right here in Dublin City Centre. So we're very lucky in that we have Connolly train station just a couple of minutes away, which is one of the main train stations in Dublin. We have also Busaras, which is one of the main bus depots in Dublin. And we're only a couple of minutes from a Lewis stop. And very accessible for students, no matter if they're living south side Dublin, north side of Dublin, we're just right here in the city centre. And then regarding other facilities, of course, we have the computer lab, the library facilities, but we have a great student services team, both face-to-face and online. We have our afternoon social program activities. That's probably our main facilities, but in regards to services then, while we do provide the courses, we also provide accommodation options. We have residential accommodation for students and post-family accommodation for students. We also provide airport transfers upon arrival or departure, the medical insurance if students want to buy medical insurance at our school.
What makes difference from other schools, International House? Like why you are special? Tell us.
Oh wow, that is a great question. Well, firstly, we've been established for 22 years. A lot of the team, like Carmel, head of education, I think she's been here maybe 15 or 16 years. So we do have a lot of students that return. They've had a great experience and they come back again for a second, third, or even fourth course, especially the EU students who come for a shorter time. I think it's just a great building. I think you're going to come enjoy. We have a great nationality mix. Our teachers are all fantastic, of course, all CELTA qualified. Again, have been with us for a long time. And just overall, I think we're here. We're like on site. If you need something, you just come and talk to us. I think, well, International House is known as a premium school, so when students do come, I hope that they receive the premium experience that they deserve.
And espero que puedan conocer a Ashley. Es verdad que es súper encantadora. I'm saying like you're a really lovely person.
Oh, thank you.
I
So
hope they
kind.
can meet you. They come to
Oh
study
yeah,
here.
I'll be here. So I work in the admissions department. Lovely pleasure to meet your lovely team.
¿Te has preguntado cómo es una escuela de inglés o una universidad en Irlanda? Pues no te lo pierdas. International House Dublin se encuentra ubicada en Steelworks Foylet Street, Dublin 1. Está ubicada en el corazón de Dublín, cuenta con un campus impresionante y moderno y están comprometidos con los más altos estándares en la enseñanza del idioma inglés. La escuela cuenta con 5 pisos y 40 aulas, en las cuales tiene una capacidad máxima de 15 estudiantes. Las instalaciones también incluyen un restaurante en la azotea y una terraza al aire libre, una gran biblioteca, un laboratorio de computación y salas de relajación para estudiantes en todas partes. Es ideal para estudiantes de todas las edades y todas las nacionalidades. Así que, ¿qué estás esperando?